guys, welcome back to another episode of the Whiskey Diaries. My name is Martin Lang and today we're going to be talking about Caol Ila, specifically the Caol Ila 12-year-old. A little bit of history on Caol Ila. It got started in 1846. It has a very tumultuous past. It went like after 6 years, it went down. Someone took it over again during the Second World War. It shut down due to restriction on barley. In the 70s, got taken over again, got sold again in the 90s, and then eventually became part of Diageo. Now Diageo owns this as part of the classic malts, in which they have Talisker, Caol Ila, Lagavulin, Dalwhinnie, Glenkinchie, Oban, and I'm forgetting one. I think that's it. I think so. Those are the ones. Anyway, if I'm forgetting one, and Cardew as well. Now, these classic malts, actually, all of those whiskies goes into Johnnie Walker as well. So, in Caol Ila, 95% of the production actually goes into the Johnnie Walker blend, specifically Johnnie Walker Black and Johnnie Walker Red as well. Because Caol Ila also produces a non-peated version as well. We have reviewed the 17-year-old and 18-year-old, and also we reviewed the Stitches Reserve as well. Feel more than welcome to just have a check out on the videos. But the 12-year-old is a staple in whiskey. It's a delicious whiskey. Basically, it's a lighter spirit compared to what you call like Laphroaig or Lagavulin or Ardbeg, but it's still a really complex, really nice spirit. On the palate, it's actually quite light. Now, it's mainly American oak. The distillery itself produces about 6.5 million liters a year, which is it's a lot. And then they have 3 still, 3 wash stills, and 3 spirit still. All the barley and everything that they do is just get taken on from mainland Scotland because they produce so much of it. Now the ppm on this one is around 25 to 30 ppm, so it's not super heavily smoky. Probably along the lines of maybe Laphroaig Select Cask or something like that. But it's still really light spirit. And you will see as well, I think the barrel's American oak, I'm pretty sure is second fill, because as you can see on the video as well, the color of the whiskey is almost crystal clear. It's a very light spirit. The 12-year-old has won double gold standards in San Francisco Awards, and it's actually really good whiskey even if you never tried Islay whiskey, it's actually a good introductory. It's light, still smoky, but it's not going to punch you in the face exactly like what Ardbeg or Laphroaig does. You get it is on the coast as well. It's actually facing Jura. The island of Jura is between facing that little canal. And yeah, you can smell the iodine. Very Islay characteristic smell. But on the palate, it's a little more fresh. Oh, that's delicious. You get all the smoke, you get all that part from Caol Ila and from Islay as well. But also you get, in the back palate, there's also notes of fruits like peaches and pears, which is really weird, obviously, because of the smoke being so dominant. So yeah, it's a great delicious whiskey. And then again, this one is just an entry level to all Islay whiskies, and you can't go wrong with this whiskey. It's absolutely stunning. Also, one quite final comment on the distillery itself. It's it's a very industrial type of distillery. It says that it's only run by 2 people because everything is electronical and computerized because they produce so much whiskey. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Slàinte mhath.